there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to change the folder view in Windows. To get started, open File Explorer or open any folder on your desktop. For example, this one. Let's open this one. Now, once you're in the folder, go to the View tab here, and then you'll have an options for changing the folder view. You can choose from extra large icons, medium icons, small icons, list, details, tiles, and content. Click on the view that suits your preferences. So, for example, I want it extra large icons. So I will choose the extra large icon so that I can see the folder clearly. And once you've selected your desired view, the folder will instantly update to display its contents in the new view style. And that's it. You now know how to change the folder view in Windows. Customizing your folder view can make it easier to organize and find your files. Experiment with different views to see which one works best for you. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to change the folder view in Windows. See you on my next video.